Hello guys, welcome to the Data Education Project video tutorial series for the ASP.NET with C Sharp, and in this session number 2 we are going to create a new project in the Visual Studio of with the ASP.NET. In the last video I am telling you how to create a site, and now I am going to tell you how to create a new project by clicking on this one. When you click on this project, a new dialog box was shown on your screen, and in this screen you can first of all select the different kind of languages. Since we are using Visual C Sharp, so I am going to select the C Sharp language here. After that, what you are going to do, we are going to do the web application, so I am going to click the web here, and in the web here we have two things: web, which is the ASP.NET web application, and if we are going to click Visual Studio 2012, then we have ASP.NET empty web application, web form, and something else. I'm clicking on the web application, and first of all you are going to need first ASP project. Name the project here, and this will be the solution name, and here the files will be stored in your files here. Now I am going to browse it and place the files in D, and you can see ASP.NET, and create new project file, new presentation files. All my files will be stored in this folder, and I will go to select folder here. Now remember that this will be the solution name, this will be the project name, and now we are going to OK it. Here you can see that there are more 5 options are created here. One is empty, web form, MVC, web API, single page application, and Facebook. Since we are going to select empty web form, so just click on it. Wait for a few seconds that the project will build up, and okay, now the project was fully loaded, and you can see that we have the built-in forms here, and all the folders are created for us for the web application, and you can see the whole web form application was created before this thing. Remember that the solution explorer will contain all and show all the files. Solution means that you can add more than one project in the solution. For example, if you want to add a new project, just like that, here you can see that this will be the same location, and I will use a second project here, and use something like ASP.NET web empty application. So you can see that in a one solution explorer there can be more than one projects are there. If you want to right click on it and show open folder in file explorer, then you can see that this is the one folder, and in this folder you have first ASP project, and then second project, and packages, all is that. Similarly, remember that every project with the same name is the startup project, and the startup project means that you can view the page when it will be run on the program. If you will click on this debugging button and start debugging, then the first project which will be run will be the first project, it will be in the bold letters. Similarly, the first file will be the default file, and here is the default ASPX files here. You can see that the program is running, and it will have all the files here. There is one difference between a site and a project, that in project more than one in a project, in a solution there can be more than one project in one solution, and while in a site there are nothing like this. And similarly we shall wait for debugging. Okay, you can see that the files are implementing, and it will view in the Google Chrome. If you will click on home, then the file will work nicely, and this is the template of the 2013. Now one thing will be clear: if we will stop debugging, we have this page title here: home page language is the C sharp and the master page file is the site.master. We will learn it together. One more thing is that if we are going into the design mode, it will be the design mode the same as we discussed in the last session. But remember that every design view or the .aspx file has two files. One is the .aspx and one is the .aspx designer.cs, and other is the C sharp file here. If we will want to click on this thing or right click on it, then you will go to behind the default.aspx.cs. cs stands for the C sharp, and in this file and you can write the C sharp code here. There are a lot of ways to go inside here. Just right click on it and you will go to the view source, then you will automatically approach to this file here. This is the view source, and similarly if you want to the view encoding source, quick edits and something like this. Similarly, if you want to go through the pages, you can say that ASP.NET application, sorry, this will be the designers.cs, and similarly we have default ASPX file here. If we want to click on this one, view code, then you will automatically go to that page of default ASPX files here. Similarly, if you will close this and just click on this property, there are a lot of properties are here about the button and the something like else. You can change it according to your requirement. So that's all for today, and I hope you can understand very well about the C sharp project creating in ASP.NET. One more thing I want to share you, that all the folders was created automatically, and they have the different folders, different files, just like scripts are there, well, just like jQuery, and everything was included automatically with this template. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos. Allah Hafiz.